We're back at it. How y'all doing? Just moving down the vehicle. Just got finished up with the front fender. Now we're working on the door. And again, I'll apologize if I'm not talking a whole lot during these videos. It's just trying to focus on the task at hand. It's nothing personal, I promise. So when we get the vehicle, part of the prep process, we wash it, or well, we debug it, we wash it, clay bar it a second time, just so we can make sure that we get every bit of possible contaminants off we can. And then do one more, just because while it's sitting here, there's potential that dust particles or anything like that could end up falling on it. So just before we do the installation, we give it one more spray down and squeegee it off, just to make sure we can get everything off and there's no contaminants. We want to do everything we can to make the surface as pristine as possible. And we also use Expel's Design Access program also, so that way, again, every opportunity we have to cut pieces, we do. I mean, there are certainly vehicles that come through here that we do not have patterns for. We had a 72 Corvette come through that we only had a couple of the pieces for, but again, every little bit helps. If we've got the patterns for it, it helps us optimize film, so we don't have as much wasted film, which essentially